The tire changing process has barely changed for decades. Most drivers still pull out a heavy jack, search for the correct lifting point, and spend several stressful minutes trying to safely raise the vehicle. BYD believes that process is outdated, and the company is now showing how its DiSus P Ultra suspension system could completely change roadside tire repairs. The technology is featured on the new Fangqingbao Bao 5 and Bao 8 sport utility vehicles. Instead of relying on a traditional jack, the vehicles use an advanced hydraulic suspension system capable of lifting one side of the vehicle automatically. In BYD's official demonstration, the Bao models completed a tire change in just 2 minutes and 42 seconds. A conventional vehicle using a normal jack required 13 minutes and 3 seconds to finish the same task. That difference is huge in real-world situations. Drivers dealing with flat tires on dirt roads, muddy trails, or uneven pavement often struggle to safely position a jack. The DiSus P Ultra system removes most of the manual effort by electronically adjusting suspension height while keeping the vehicle stable. The suspension is also designed for more than convenience. BYD says the system improves off-road capability, wheel articulation, and vehicle stability during emergencies. The Bao models can even continue moving temporarily after a tire failure thanks to the advanced suspension and electronic control systems. Videos of the Bao 5 and Bao 8 lifting themselves without any external equipment have already gone viral online. Many viewers compare the feature to futuristic technology that would have seemed impossible just a few years ago. As automakers continue pushing innovation beyond electric powertrains, BYD is proving that even something as simple as changing a tire can be completely reinvented.